you don't want to come away with the same photos as everyone else. So take some time, experiment and walk around and use different points of view. I consider the information in this video to be one of the most fundamental concepts that you have to understand to master landscape photography. And the interesting thing is that it has nothing to do with picking up your camera and the camera settings. But wow, we're starting to get some light on this hill over here, so it's time to act quick. I could anticipate, I could hope, but I had to adapt.
It doesn't sound revolutionary, but there's some tactics to go along with this.
You want to have that tension in your image to make people feel something when they look at it. Welcome to the landscape photography course. And as I look at this, I can see, wow, there is loads of brightness in the sky here. It's up to you to decide. What is your priority when shooting a scene?
I've discovered locations I would never have thought of.
The weather plays a huge role in your success as a landscape photographer. And for this situation, I want my viewer to be inside the scene. There's no rules at good photography. This all comes down to personal taste. Even just minimal edits will make a huge difference. Give yourself some space to experiment. We're now just 3 minutes away from the sunrise. If you arrive too late or you leave too early, you're going to miss the best shots. So let's go ahead and start shooting. It's a great tool to have in your photography arsenal. They come in this handy bag, and it's not only handy, but it's fashionable, I'm sure you'll agree. I'm standing out here in the freezing cold at almost 5,000 feet altitude. So now we've lost the sun past the horizon, and this is where the magic happens. It's just a different opportunity to take a different type of photograph. And that is exactly what I was waiting for.
You can't control Mother Nature, but you can plan your shoots around her and get great photos regardless of the weather conditions.
It's been a great fun shooting this morning. I'm looking at this scene and I see that this is beautiful, but over there is stunning. We've been behind waterfalls, we've been under this mist, we've been stuck up in mountains with almost zero visibility. And although I don't really want to get out of bed at 4 o'clock in the morning, it is absolutely worth it because the photos you get are just unparalleled. No one else wants to get up at these awful hours to capture the sunrise, so you end up with some very special photos. This course has taken months to put together, shooting in multiple countries, Slovenia, Italy, Austria, and the results have been spectacular. I'm really proud of the course we put together here, and I hope you love it.